That morning they told me that the celebration would end with a feast, what they call a Mumu. And they make a great big fire and they put it on the fire, which singes its hairs, and they scrape off the hair with these machetes. Now once the outside is nice and roasted, they remove the pig from the fire and they make two long slices along the flanks of the pig. These are the pieces that will be cut up first, the flanks. The second piece will be the belly. Now the inside, once they go inside the gut, all the viscera is removed. And this is where the choicest meats are, the ribs and the backbone. Now I was told that the backbone was the choicest part reserved for special people and guests.
So how important is the pig in the Highland culture?
It's very important. It's all done in many activities, as I can say. The pig is very important. It can be in bride price, compensation, a party, birthday, anything. It's done by pig. It's very important, especially in the islands.
So it's more than just a food. It really is a value of currency.
Yes.
It's a type of. So it's given for bride price, compensation, payback.
Birthdays,
celebrations.
opening celebration, as now we are doing. It's really important in any activity.
So it's really as a sign of wealth. The more pigs that a person has, the more
it's
wealth.
very important. Yeah.